All right, folks, Mike here with the watch list video for Wednesday, October 2nd. The SPY, kind of an ugly day, big volume, pretty good selling. You go to 5-minute candles and glance at it. So somewhere in here, World War III started, and of course, so the market bounced, but it kind of rolled over into the end. We'll see what happens. The market's weird. I can't figure it out as far as macro news and the reaction to it, but let me throw this over here. If you're new in chat, please read that. Good explanation of what we're all about. I want to give a hat tip to Kevin P, which I feel like I do every day, but NNE, we put that on watch early because it was strong, right? And then he gave the idea around the 1520 area. Why? There's the earlier high, right? Pulling back to retest the earlier high and VWAP and pretty close to our famous yellow line and 15's buy zone, right? Liked everything about that. And from the 1520, if you took it at exactly 1520, you were 4 cents underwater, and then it went to 1701. Another amazing call by Kevin P. If you're watching this, Kevin, I love you, man. That was a great call. By the way, it's my top watch for tomorrow. Topped out back here as far as recent highs, 1771, and today is showing strength again. But I'll go into that as I go into the watch list here. So DJT is on watch for tomorrow. It's just been in play, gapped up today and closed red, but it's just been an in-play stock. The election's coming up, so it's certainly worth watching. GRRR, couple red days after putting in a high here and a lower high here. NVIDIA, I got a trend line. I would love to see like maybe a few more days down into this trend line, and then I really like it. But NVIDIA weak over the last few days, if you take out yesterday, right? And so really like it around that 110 level. We'll see. SMR is in that NNE space, and it bounced today. OKLO also in that same space, kind of popped up back here and then flagging. And then I already talked about NNE. Looks really good. So all those three tend to move together. ZK had the gap up yesterday, sold off, and then right back up today. So that's impressive. Let's see. GCT. Gotta like this, right? Had a nice little run. Looked like it was rolling over and right back up to recent highs. EONR, anything oil related, and this thing, I guess what used to be a different symbol or whatever, but nice pop today. And any of the low priced or low float oil plays are certainly worth keeping an eye on, since the Middle East is blowing up, right? So that one in INDO, also a big rip today. HUSA is another one. So all three of those deserve to be watched if the turmoil continues, and it probably will. NA had a really nice 3-day run here, put in a red day, and then right back up, plus the whole number $1 might come into play. PLCE got another red day, which is really what I wanted. Now we're back down near the 20-day. This one could squeeze on a bounce, so that one goes on watch. IONQ, not that pretty on the daily, because you kind of have a failed breakout here. Let me go out to a year just to kind of maybe give you a better look. So you really had a breakout here, and then 2 nasty days, but now you've got a gap fill. So I am putting it on bounce watch. I like it a lot more after today than I did after just yesterday. So anyway, MU, another red day after the gap up on earnings. Micron could be a bounce play for tomorrow. SMTC also on bounce watch. Had a nice run, and then 4 days in a row pretty much straight down, could bounce. And then RKLB, throwing that one on watch. You know, I'd like this to come down into the buy zone between the 8 and the 20 day. But sometimes you get a strong stock, and this is a very strong stock. Couple red days on declining volume, it might turn up tomorrow. So that one goes on watch. I will see you all in pre-market tomorrow as we build our gapper list to add to this one. And that's it for me. I'll see you in chat. Have a good night.